What you are seeing now is the LVL plywood production line. Our company produces LVL plywood using fully automated production equipment. The glue is evenly applied to the surface of the veneer using a glue applicator. The pre-pressing machine performs the first step of shaping on the semi-finished plywood, ensuring that the glue is more evenly distributed on the veneer. The fixed-length plywood is cut using a sewing machine. By moving the small vehicle horizontally for transportation, the length of the workshop's floor space is shortened, making it more suitable for the customer's factory. Using a single-layer, height-adjustable transport vehicle to transport the cold-pressed plywood to the panel assembly machine, this avoids the use of forklifts and workers, thereby improving the transportation efficiency. When the single-layer transporter has completed loading the multi-layer paneling machine, the paneling machine begins to move towards the hot press machine. And at the same time, the plywood inside the hot press machine is pushed out. When the formed plywood inside the hot press machine is pushed out, each layer motor of the pusher machine starts to work in reverse, placing the plywood that is waiting for hot pressing onto each layer of the hot pressing plate. After the panel assembly machine is completely withdrawn, the hot press machine begins to close, performing pressure application and heating. The LVL plywood automated production line is the right choice for you.